Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take statement questions of linear inequalities. First question, Ashok obtained 80 and 85 marks, 80 and 85 marks in first two unit tests. In first two unit tests. Find the minimum marks he should get. Find the minimum marks he should get minimum marks he should get in the third unit test. In the third unit test, to have an average of to have an average of 10 an average of 70 marks. An average of 70 marks. Solution. Let minimum marks to be obtained. Let minimum marks to be obtained in the third unit test. In the third unit test is equal to x. Marks obtained in first two unit tests is equal to 80 and 85. 80 and 85. According to question, x plus 80 plus 85 over 3 is greater than or equal to 70. Cross multiplying x plus 165 is greater than or equal to 210, which implies x greater than or equal to 210 minus 165. Therefore, x is greater than or equal to 45. Therefore, Ashok should obtain 45 marks, 45 minimum marks in the third unit test. In the third unit test. Then we take second question. Second question, The longest side of a triangle is the longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. 3 times the shortest side. And the third side and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter, 2 centimeters shorter than the longer side, than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle, if the perimeter of the triangle is at most 61 centimeters, find the maximum length, find the maximum length of the shorter side, of the shorter side. Solution: let the sides of triangle R x centimeter, y centimeter and z centimeter such that x is greater than y is greater than z. According to question, as we have seen in the statement, longest side is 3 times the length of shorter side. Longest side is x and the shortest side is z. So x is equal to 3z. This is first equation. And then third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. Third side is y. Y is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side is x. This is second. And perimeter of triangle is at most 61. Perimeter is x plus y plus z is less than equal to 61 because it is at most 61. Now put value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. We get y is equal to 3z minus 2. Put x is equal to 3z and y is equal to 3z minus 2 in equation 3. We get, in place of x plus y plus z is less than equal to 61. X is 3z, y is 3z minus 2, plus z is less than equal to 61. Therefore, 7z is less than equal to 61 plus 2. 7z is less than equal to 63. So 7z is less than equal to 63 over 7, which implies z is less than or equal to 9. Therefore, the maximum length of the maximum length of the shorter side is 9 centimeter. That's all. In the next video, we shall start the chapter on functions. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.